Tuesday everyone. Today Sunday. Here I show you guys. Now the last one. When I'm done this, I'm gonna show again how look different. This one I'm gonna put the flower around this area. This one my fruit tree. Like blueberry, and I'm not really sure what is this fruit, like Josta Koran. Yeah, it's starting to have fruit. This is black, hard bleeding, but I gonna put this all just flower beside in front the house. And this area too, my project. So you guys gonna see how they look different after. Here, this one the hard bleeding. Rùm dội bẻ đồn, you see, thẹn màu, bẻ đồn, thẹn. Wow. This one is not honey. I don't know what they call it. I need honey to pollinate my fruit tree to get the fruit. This they said need the pollinated. Now my project, I'm gonna do this for today. But yes. This one really smell good, but they have and to have pony open it is pink, right? That those and have a lot of space for flower here too. Here, this one my plum tree. They start to be flower, but never got fruit. They said need the pollinated. I don't know, but they have ant, right? We need like a bee to pollinate it. I have to check out. This one wild strawberry, and this one like grape. They are starting grape. Starting to grow. Now they look die. And now all my berry. Okay, oh butterfly. Mẹ bãi con hơi mẹ bãi con. I'm not clean up yet by myself. I don't know how much I'm done. This one the cherry. Cherry. I'm gonna put fertilizer. Here I want to show you this one. This one rhubarb. I burn some stem, so I'm afraid to kill it, so I just dig them for here now. This one cherry too. They start flower blooming. Starting almost bloom. This one raspberry still like look dead, doesn't come anything yet, but in couple months gonna be a lot of fruits. This one blueberry, I grow this like 2 years ago, but they coming. I have to make this all like orchard, all the fruit tree. This one the Gucci. This one they maybe dead. I'm gonna cut them. I'm gonna get Shaw cut them away. So I have space for more the fruit. This one, the Saskatoon berry that I showed you last time. Now they were all blooming very beautiful. Blooming now. Next month gonna be start fruit. June, yeah, June, July, they maybe middle June. They have a lot of fruit next month. It can be really healthy berry. This one, healthy berry, and this one, my choke cherry, still the same. The fruit starting. They start like this, blooming, and the fruit gonna coming. This just last week, right? How they changing? I probably the old last week they don't have it, and now apple. They start here. Flower 1, 2, 3, 4. They start flower to be the get the fruit. This side, okay. This the name. Aussie apple have probably 4 or 5 flower right now. Maybe they come more. But this one, honey squeeze apple, probably they don't get anything yet. Look like they don't come anything. But look at this one. This one come a lot. What is this name for this one? Oh, I'm not really sure. So they put this bone like 2, right? Oxide apple. Probably this one raspberry double. This one maybe oxide apple. I never got this fruit. Now they come a lot blooming. It's here for the more flower. This one about a lot. It's just one. I have to put the some fertilizers and just burn something. Start to cleaning up all those things. My rose. Here, my neighbor, she sold her home. Little bit busy. I'm gonna get the new neighbor soon. So now probably just eat the noodle to keep some time for the garden now. Here my flower. The seed this, they have plan to sell, but I like to, I got the seed from Cambodia and I bought the seed here. They have too, and they said they have the plant here too. But I got some seed I bought from Cambodia, and the people home they have it. This one usually people home I grow this one, and now they starting. I like this flower a lot. They have sell, but I like to grow from my seed. More interested, like this one they gonna grow, looks so good. All the flower my home. So now, oh, the water boys. And they're eating the noodle. so in love with plant. Okay, thank you guys. I will have the next one with the noodle eating